Hi everyone, hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a silk high ponytail or natural hair. Just a smooth, clean look, no flaky. If you're ready, let's get into the video. So I'm starting off with freshly washed hair. I'm going to use this Eco Styler gel for this hairstyle, and I'm telling you guys, I didn't use any leave-in on my hair. I did not use any leave-in on my hair. I am going to apply the Eco Styler gel starting from my edges down, and I'm gonna take it slowly to the top. And I am doing this with patience. You guys can see I have short natural hair, and I am going to make sure that I do this with a little patience. But guys, the end result is gonna be great. Trust me. I'm just going to apply. See, I'm just working my way up there a little bit using the gel. I'm just gonna go through. I want the silk look, and I want it to be neat and not sticky, no flaky. Just a slick and neat look. So that's what I'm going for. So I'm taking my time and just make sure I get there. Making sure that I take out those edges because I am going to do the edges later on, so just keep watching. So now I am getting the sponge, and as you can see, with short hair I get it, and after that I am still going to go over with some Eco Styler gel and try to smoothen it and make sure that everything stays silk and neat. So that way you see me do. So I'm gonna just go walk over it until I'm satisfied. Take your time. You don't need to rush to do this. Take your time and make it, just make sure you get it slick, you get it smooth, a really smooth, clean look. That's what you want. So take your time and you get that. For me, my hair is short, so I have to be patient with it. If you have longer hair, it's actually a lot more easier because you can grab everything and put it up there in the bond, and you have to just go a little over. But for me, I am taking my time and patient, and I know there are a lot of natural hair guys out there with short hair, and you also have to do the same like I'm doing. And now I'm gonna use a skill scarf to tie my head down while my hair dries. So the hair that I'll be using is the Expressions braided hair. I blended these two colors, and here, and this is the outcome, and this is the outcome. So what I'm doing, I'm going to just take hot water and just put it in the hair, and I left the hair to dry, and now it is ready. So it's now ready to be attached. So now I am just going to go ahead and attach the hair onto my little bun up here, as you guys can see. So I'm going to take the hair like so, and then I will, if you're doing the same method that I'm doing, you're gonna be needing 2 bobby pins. Now I'm securing. So I'm going to add an additional hair like so, and I'm going to use a rubber band and just make sure that I got it into, just look at it, right? I'm gonna make sure I hook it through there, and I'm going to grab the bun, of course, the hair that is already attached onto mine. I'm going to hold it like so and then try to place this hair there. I'm going to try to secure this hair right on this bone that is already on my head. I'm going to now use the Got2b spray. I will be using this spray to wrap this hair. Just want to make sure that the hair stick together. So as I'm wrapping, I'm adding more spray. As I go, I add more spray. And this hairstyle that I'm doing, guys, this one, it lasts for days. You can go with this hairstyle for about 3 days. So for my edges, I'm gonna be using this Got2b glue for brows and edges. This is working, guys. It was perfect on my edges. Look at this ponytail. It looks super cute, natural, guys. You should try this. I just hope you all enjoy this video. Make sure you share, you like, you subscribe to this channel if you're not subscribed for more videos to come. And I'll see you on my next one. Peace out.